fireplace, and they mentioned that it's drafty during the winter months. They'll get a draft when they're not using it. So what we're doing is we're taking it's a spring-loaded cap. So when they release the spring, the cap will pop up, and then I pull it back down, and so it seals on the top.
Gotcha.
So no drafts can possibly get through. As I drill through here, I can see why. The bat is probably a 1-inch bat. So you have that much play in the whole thing. And as a matter of fact, you put your hand in there and it's cold.
Yep.
So, and this really worked out well that we could do it from this angle. And we're just going to we're going to take our hose, put it all at the top, and dense pack the channels going all the way down. Where these seams are is 43 degrees.
Gotcha.
So the windows are always going to be your weakest link, but underneath is where it really sucks in. So I went, we can look on the outside, but I drilled some holes, about 6-7 holes, and there were fiberglass bats, but they had fallen down, so the air just goes up and around them. So we'll fill that all the way up, and we probably will seal those 2 cans with caulk around the edges. We're going to put the blower door test in. We'll see if they have a lot of air coming through there. We'll seal those. And then this is the bay window. So all I did here, we drilled up in here. As you can see, there's just tons of space up there.
Yeah.
And we're going to take our dense packing hose, and it won't take much, but we're going to put it up there, and it'll just, the entire cavity will be so full that we won't even be able to push our finger in there with cellulose. Pop that off, and then we're just going to stick our hose in. We're not going to be able to crawl in there and air seal it.
Yeah.
But instead of just doing an open blow, and we can't do a dense pack because that'd be too much weight on the ceiling, we're going to basically do a loose pack, which is fill 90% of the area, but you still could stick your hand in it, as opposed to dense packing you couldn't. And that will air seal mostly all the top plates. Loose pack cellulose is probably 95% air resistant. So this triangular cavity, so the first 3 feet of each room across the front of the house is not insulated at all. So the thermal camera kind of shows it that it's cooler than the other parts. And what's also happening is air is blowing underneath the floors. And so we're going to get in spray foam the entire front area, high and low. The AC room, I will, 10, 20 feet, I'll do it because that's where it's sucking in the most when those things kick on. Spider webs. Spiders are one of our most helpful tools because they only make webs where there's airflow. And so if I saw no spider webs there, more likely than not those room joists aren't very bad.